Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Info Booth 19. Today we are going to see one traditional authentic lemon pickle recipe. It's mouth-watering type, so everybody who loves pickle will surely need to give it a try because it is very tasty, and I will show you how to make it in very authentic form, South Indian traditional form, how to make this pickle. It's very easy. You don't need to give much effort to prepare this pickle, so it just takes a cutting time and then brining step of some 5 to 6 days, and then tadka and adding the masala. That's all. It's easy, but in this video I will show you how to make very in simple way how to prepare this pickle. So for this I have taken 12 to 13 lemons I have taken. Ensure the lemon is half ripened to fully ripened, then only the juices will be very tasty and it gives more flavor to the pickle. How to make a pickle from a raw lemon, that I will cover it in my next recipe. So surely you all need to give it a try. Wash it completely and dry it with towel, because even a dot of water, if it is there, it will spoil the pickle. So ensure that whatever the utensils or whatever the knife, vessel, spoon, whatever you are using for pickle, it should be cleaned completely and washed and dried, then only we can do that. So to just a tip how to cut a lemon, if you see on North Pole and South Pole type 2 holes will be there in the lemon, don't cut it in that way, otherwise veins will be there, it will be difficult for you to squeeze or to get it to make it softer. So always cut in the other side. Now if you see, I am going to make it into 8 pieces. Each lemon I am going to make into 8 pieces. You can even make it into 4 pieces, but the more bigger the size, it will take more time for brining steps, longer time for it to get softened. Because lemon, if you see, the skin is very hard, so to make it more softer we are going to put it in salt for around 5 to 6 days, then only the skin will become softer in brining step. Remove all the seeds. Now I have taken all the lemon pieces in one glass bowl. Do not use stainless steel vessels or stainless steel spoon or stainless steel box to store pickle, and even salt also don't use any stainless steel dabba to store the salt, because rusting will happen very faster. So use glass bowl or ceramic spoon or ceramic pot or clay pot to make this pickle. So I have taken in a glass bowl. So I will show you what is the measurement I am going to add. Salt, I am using here rock salt. So rock salt is a traditional method to make any pickle. So I have added 2 whole tablespoons of rock salt to it. So for 13 lemons I have taken 2 tablespoons of rock salt. Just give it a mix. The salt, what it plays a major role, it acts as a preservative, also it acts as a brining step. Brining step means it makes the skin softer and it becomes, the lemon pieces will become tender and soft. Since the lemon has a thicker skin, we need to keep at least 5 to 6 days for brining step. What we are going to do is, like, close the lid and keep it in normal room temperature. Every day, morning and evening, you can just give it a flip like this or take a clean spoon and mix it well, so that evenly it gets brined properly. So 6 days I am going to keep it like that. Every day, morning and evening, I am going to mix it and keep it so that evenly the salt will get mixed completely. So after 6 days I will show you how it looks like. So this is after 6 days. If you see, the lemon skin have become little bit shrunken, the flesh of the lemon had come out, and it is smelling amazing here. The entire house is smelling of lemon. It is very interesting, and if you see, the skin also became very tender and soft. So our brining step is done. Just give it a good mix. Now we will start adding other ingredients to it. So first what I am going to do is I am going to dry roast mustard seeds in it. So half a tablespoon of mustard seeds. So this mustard and fenugreek you have to add in equal proportion. So half a tablespoon of mustard seed you need to dry roast it. So the mustard need to change the color and it should start crackling. So till that point we are going to fry it. If mustard doesn't crackle, it is not good for health also, and also it will taste bitter. So we need to wait till the mustard crackles and the color also change. Keep it aside for cooling. Similarly, half a tablespoon of fenugreek or methi seeds you can add and dry roast it. It should become golden color and then nice aroma will come. So that also you can transfer and keep it for cooling. So once it becomes cool, we are going to crush it through mortar and pestle. If you don't have mortar and pestle, don't worry, you can put it in mixer jar as well. Ensure the mixer jar is cleaned, washed completely, and it should be free of water. Means no water droplet should be there. If you use the mortar and pestle, the nice flavor will come. It will smell amazing. Just crush it to a fine powder. There should be no big particles in it. Now we are going to heat oil in the pan. So for heating oil in the pan, I have taken close to 50 to 80 ml of gingerly oil. Always use gingerly oil for pickle or any chutney recipes, because the taste will be awesome and it be very good, and it is very, you can use it for longer time as well. So gingerly oil is the best for making all the pickle recipes. So add 1 tablespoon of mustard and wait till all the mustard gets crackled. So once all the mustard gets crackled, now we can turn off the stove and we are going to add in the pickle. So meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add chili powder to the lemon, and then I'm going to give a mix. So I have added here 2 tablespoons of chili powder. If you want, you can use Kashmiri chili powder as well. It gives nice color, but I have added this regular chili powder. Just put 2 tablespoons, 1.5 to 2 tablespoons would be more than enough. If you want more spiciness, you can add more also. Now 1 tablespoon of hing also I am adding. So this will also gives nice flavor. So once you mix well the chili powder and the hing to the lemon, we are going to add the hot oil. So since the oil is hot, the chili powder and the hing will get cooked and the raw smell will not be there. So it will get cooked in that itself. Just give it a mix. If you want to store it for really long time, then you can add more oil to that, but this will be sufficient for me. So I have added this much. 80 ml was correct for me. It is ready. Now finally what we are going to do is we are going to add this crushed methi and this fenugreek and mustard powder. So that you add and give it a mix. It smells amazing and our lemon pickle is ready. The actual taste of the pickle comes after some 2 days. You should need to wait patiently for the lemon pickle to get ready. 6 days of brining plus 2 days of this masala to get inside. So after that it will taste amazing. So I am going to store it in the ceramic jar. You can store it in clay pot or ceramic pot or glass bottle. Do not use stainless box again, just a reminder. Just try this authentic lemon pickle and it tastes amazing. Surely you all need to give it a try. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. If you try this recipe, share the dish photo to the email ID given below. Always be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.